The Sun and the Moon. Once upon a time, there was a mother and 2 children. My mother went out to work every day. The brother and sister of the younger brother and sister. As usual, I was waiting at home for my mother to come home. Then I heard a voice from outside the house. The children and my mother have gone home. My mother is back. My brother said so, and when I opened the door, there was a big tiger there, not a mother. The brother and sister, who were surprised by the tiger, hurriedly ran out through the back door. There was a big tree at the back of the house, and the brothers and sisters climbed the tree. The tiger that chased me. How did you guys get up there? I asked my brother and sister. I climbed with sesame oil on the tree. And my brother lied. The tiger greased sesame oil on the tree as he was told. I can't slide and climb. How did you guys really get up? And the tiger listens. My sister replied, I put rapeseed oil on the tree and climbed it. The tiger smeared rapeseed oil on the tree as he was told. I still can't slide and climb. My sister was laughing at the slippery tiger many times. 'Tis a strange. I can't see that you came up with me. And I told the truth. Hearing that, the tiger brought Ono and started climbing the tree. The brothers and sisters who became scared prayed to heaven for help. God of heaven, please help us. When my brother said it loudly, a rope came down from the sky. When I picked up the rope, the brothers climbed to heaven. The tiger was also caught by the rope. The rope broke on the way and the tiger fell into the cornfield. The brothers and sisters who climbed to heaven in this way. My brother became the sun and my sister became the moon. My sister, who has become a moon after a while, is lonely to be alone at night. I was replaced by my brother. My sister became the sun, and my brother became the moon. My sister, who became the sun, was embarrassed to be seen by everyone at noon. Because it started to shine a bright and strong light. It means that the sun has become dazzling. The end.